Alrighty, wifey and I here at Red Rock. Thumbs up, team. There we go. 105-cent denom. Oh. So we need 3 of these. The volume is very low on this. Oh. Oh, okay. Wow, that was a good one. On Genghis, be nice to us. Two is not 3. Oh, oh. Oh man, if he was just right there. Whoa, it was on $10. It's fine, but not yet. Come on, Genghis. You can be nice to us. Oh. $3.12. Oh, no. Nope. Oh, give us one. Oh, that's a mix and match up there. Oh no, it's blocking us now. Poop. Not what we wanted, Genghis. Okay. Okay, not the most fun situation of showing up. Did he get louder? The machine got loud. Whoops. Stop that by accident. No Dragon Balls are really showing. Oh, there's 2, but Mini, our favorite, our old friend. Oh, whoops! By accident, almost did it. Oh my god, that was absolutely. I was just adjusting. Oh, that would have been a nice way to start. Got our bet back. Gongu. Okay, half our bet back. Two is not the same as 3. There's the one that we need, of course. It always comes after. We got 2 again. Okay. Do it now. We just asked them really quick. 2. No, that is not it. We might have to... Yeah, exactly. We might have to go to our best friend Panda next door, so... Let's do a couple baby ones. Chewy. Oh, nope. Yeah. Okay, I think 5 cents was doing some things. Let's see if it's warmed up here now. Oh. Boop. 2 again. So again, the bonus round with him, he turns into like a multiplier and he does like a lot of magical things, so it's pretty good. Nope. It's so annoying when they put 5 Dragon Balls to start and then you just like nothing after. Three. Oh. Yeah. She's not happy. You need to stop being like this, Genghis. Oh my god, so many wilds. Did it go through? Okay. Nice. We got a lot of wilds all the way through. We got that. The shield. And then the I don't know if this is a line, but it should be. I think like if there was one over there, it for sure would be. But I don't know. That's a pretty good one. I mean, that's pretty good for just a line hit. This brings you back to even, pretty much. Sometimes Dragon Link can have good line hits. Sometimes. Por favor, four. Okay. No. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, none. 3? If you get 3 on the first reel, there's 0 chance you're gonna get it on any of the other ones. So if you get 3 on the second reel, it just feels like, okay, there's a chance now. Okay. Did they turn off the bonuses on this game? Okay. 3, 2, 1. No. It's so mean, and it's like he was right there too. So that's a good situation here. Okay, just barely our bet back. Really? Oh, yeah, to cash out probably. Good ticket. Yeah, let's go to the Panda one. I think I want to go to the. Oh, see, it's never gonna be a possibility yet. 3 on the first, it's never gonna come. 3 on the second reel, there's a chance. Oh, I think I saw the green one. Okay, so we're gonna go to the Panda right next door. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. We were just around that corner. See the beautiful chandelier over here at Red Rock. And now our beautiful friend, Miss Autumn Moon. Whoops, there she is. Be nice to us today, Autumn. We have our $70 ticket from the last situation. She just started on 5 lucky 5 cents. Lucky nickels. So those look pretty good to me. Start from the bottom. Now we're here. Autumn has been notoriously kind of mean to us, so let's see if she can make up for it. Oh.
What's wrong?
Okay. 3 bets back there. The major is pretty good here. Oh. Let's go to 2 cents, see what happens. There's 2 moons there. So I don't know, it's good if you keep seeing the balls. That means that things can happen. If you just see like no balls, it's just like lack of hope and despair. It's 4 of a kind. Dude, that was a win. Now we're seeing no balls. You scared the balls away. Oh. So we need 3 of those lovely moons. Rabbits.
What's wrong?
Do. Oh. No, nothing there. Little bunnies. Oh, they're never gonna come. Don't even worry about it. It's not gonna come. 3 on the first. It looks like a good one, but. Lots of moons, but not 3. Okay, don't even worry about it. Don't even look. Yeah. 3 on the first reel is always fake news. Back to 5. Oh, stopped that by accident. Bunny rabbits. Bunny rabbits. 2, 3, 4, none. Okay. 2? Not 2 total. I meant 2 more. I have to be more specific. That was my fault. Oh, yes! We got the fucking $870. Hell yeah! Come on, let's get it. Woo! Oh my God! Did you see that? Finally, it has happened to me right in front of your face, and we just cannot hide it. Hell yes! Oh, do you hear that smack? Hell yes! That's what we've been playing for. Oh, the first time you saw it, right? All right. It had to pop at some point, and we knew that it had to happen soon, and we just walked across. Oh my God! My heart is beating so fast right now. Oh hell yeah! We saw that together, people. Let's just fill the rest of it up. Why not? Fill the rest of it. Yeah. But like, we can't be too upset. It could just definitely be like, nah, that was it. It could be like, that's it. It could be like, that's it. But we want to keep the fun going. Okay, let's keep the fun going. At least let's get a couple more swings in. Come on. Holy crap. Now let's get the blue one. Just make it a hand pay really quick. Dude, I will take the mini. I will take our favorite, the mini. Like, sorry, mini, we have to push you to the side right now because our actual favorite, the major, is here. Our new favorite, I should say. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh my God, my heart's gonna explode. That was so crazy. Oh, a mini, our favorite game. Yes, it did come. All right, let's just fill it up. Why not? Just 2 more. Oh, my bejesus. Come on, please. Send me your energy. Send me your energy. Autumn was so nice to us. That's it, 12,000. It has to pop. It has to. Smack it. Oh, okay. Everyone focus all of your energy on the screen right now. Come on, let's go. 1. Ooh, that's fine. We got our favorite, the mini, and we got our new favorite. We're champions on this Sunday. It does. It just whenever you win one of these like big progressives, it does this countdown first, then it counts everything else out separately. Yeah. I had a feeling about this one. My favorite is Panda. Wifey said, let's go move from Genghis to Panda. I said, wait, I have a feeling about Autumn right now. Oh my God, so much. See, like, you don't have to bet huge to win. Yeah, $1.25. How many? It's like a 500x some kind of situation, right? 800, you're right. Wait, math. I was thinking $1.25 divided by, but it's way more, you're right. Oh my God. I don't want us to push anything. This was a good way to start the day, I will say. And then our favorite, the mini. We won about $1 million actually, so it got reset to 500 now. Yeah. That's a good thumbnail, right? Dude, and another one, because that's still like 50x on top of that 125. So it does another one. So by itself, without the major, this is still pretty good for 125. Usually win like $30 or $40, something like that, maybe like 30x, 40x. But sometimes the machine's just like, bam, here you go. Here we go. What a good way to start the morning. She said it. Do. Okay, so $992 from, how much was that? From $100 essentially, yeah, but try a few backup spins and then obviously lock up the win and run away very happy. When you win, and I got wrecked yesterday. I was playing poker at the Orleans.
$0 in your wallet.
She said I did have $0. I played a bunch of poker yesterday at the Orleans, and I was like, let me borrow 100 right now because I don't want to go to the ATM and pay $10 for the ATM fee or whatever. And then we picked right, I guess, you know. So do a couple more backups and see what happens. That was sick, right? That was amazing. Oh, that's pretty good too. Yeah, she said I got so excited her nose is running. It's okay to cry. She says it's not crying. Alright, do a couple more here and then we'll go to another machine. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Like, what's the thing? Like, when you do backup spins, do you usually do them on the same one you just won on? What? I need to watch the tape because I don't even remember like what denomination that was. It was 5 cent, right? Yeah. I'm telling you, 5 cent is magical. Even the baby bets. Oh, that's a big one right there. See, like, now it might be giving. Say it again. Low, yeah. That's the thing. People like mix up backup spins with like either the same denomination or they increase their bet size, or they just like stay on the exact same one they were just on. Oh, one. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. See, look. So we went from 500 to 511. Okay, another bonus round. So backup spins did work. So we switched from 5 cent back to 1 cent. Similar bet size, but let's go. Moon? Oh, it's not gonna do moon. I have a feeling this one's gonna be an absolute sando, as Vegas Matt likes to say. Don't give us the orbs on those. One more. You know, I'm fine with a $2 bonus right now in this situation. A $2 bonus is absolutely. Oh, that's good. Wilds. Oh, Wilds. Oh, huge. Full screen. Oh, I thought it was gonna be autumn. If it was autumn, it would have been like $6 million zillion. Yeah, it's a pretty good way to end this thing. But Jacks is like 10 is the lowest symbol, right? So, or is it 9? 9 or 9's on this? I don't even know. Okay, so that was cool. Thank you for 24 bucks. Thank you. Let's get to 1,000. I like that $1,000 ticket. So let's cash out at exactly 1,000. Yeah. Or let's cash out 1,000 or 1,000,000. Whatever happens first. We're gonna cash out at 1,000 or 1,000,000. So. Oh, the blue one went by again. There's something to be said to not leave a hot machine, but we're not. I don't know. It's definitely a thing, but like it's your money. Like it's not like you have to give back to the machine because you feel like you need to do backup spins. Like I've done so many times where I won like a big one, and then like I just like, oh, I have to do backup spins because everyone says to, and I end up like I win like 500 and I end up giving back like 300, and I'm like, it feels worse to, you know, win that $200 that you, or like that $100. If you put in 100 and you get it to 500 and then you do a bunch of backup spins and you cash out for 2, it feels worse, I feel like, than it did to like win. I don't know. It's harder to explain. It's just maybe me, but. So one more at 150, I think, right? And then 1,000, $1 million. Thank you, Autumn. You were very nice to us today. You helped us achieve our goal, which was have fun, have some laughs, have a memory, and we shared it with everyone on YouTube. Thank you, and we will see y'all again on the next one. Bye.